the gear in which they recommend you to use is they're doing that for a reason, and I agree with it. And specifically the lines, right? They want you to have a 15-foot intermediate clear tip line. Mainly the permit are looking down, and they don't want the crabs to jump up at all. They don't want any motion. So obviously if you have a floating line and a leader, it doesn't sink as well, right? And you make a quick strip, the crab's going to jump up with the line and the leader.